Good evening. In today's session, let's try to understand Invest India. What do you mean by this? This is an agency of central government and it will promote the investment in India. See, basically, when we discuss about the foreign direct investment, every country which has liberalized its economy will try to invite various companies to their countries for the purpose of investment, so that will lead to the increase in the number of industries that will promote and generate more employment as far as that country is concerned. India is no exception, and India is also doing the same thing. For the exclusive purpose of promoting the investment in India, this agency has been established. Now, the basic responsibility of this particular institution will be how exactly the ease of doing business in India is being implemented, so that you will be attracting the various foreign companies to come to India and invest in India. Kindly remember, no company, maybe domestic company, maybe a foreign company, wants to invest in a place where the ease of doing business is not available. Ease of doing in the sense, whenever you are planning for establishing any business, there should be a mechanism where the clearances will be provided as early as possible, because the companies will take lots of money in the form of loan for the purpose of investment. And if you don't give the permission on the loan that has been taken by the company, you need to pay the interest without producing and without getting anything. That is the reason why ease of doing is a very important concept, and India is moving ahead as far as the ease of doing business is concerned. And it is not just only the giving the permissions, but otherwise, whenever any company wants to exit, there should be an easy mechanism where the company should be permitted to exit. Am I clear? So this is related to the Invest in India. And why we are discussing about Invest India, that this we are discussing this is because India has been awarded by United Nations on promoting this. That is the reason why this is very much there in the news. And what is that agency, what is the news, and who gave this award, all these things we are going to understand now. We are going to look into this, and I am opening the document. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this now. So our today's topic is Invest India. This is an investment promotion and facilitation agency of Union Government. And Invest India won 2020 United Nations Investment Promotion Award. This is one very, very important aspect. Kindly remember, whenever we discuss about Indian economy, we always mention about the investments. Without proper investments, the economic development is not possible. And this is one of the mechanisms through which the government of India is promoting the investment in India, and this is called Invest India. Right? And this award, whatever the award that India got now, that is the award is a testimony to our government's focus on making India the world's preferred investment destination and improving ease of doing business. Kindly remember, especially after this COVID-19, many of the companies, they are planning to leave China and they are looking for towards other countries. And one of the important destinations they are looking at is India. That is the reason why this is the time for India. Both the central government and state governments must work together and strengthen our infrastructure. That will be attracting more and more companies. They will be coming into India with the so-called foreign direct investment. Look at this. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development declared Invest India as the winner of United Nations Investment Promotion Award for 2020. Very important one. It has been awarded by United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. And the award ceremony took place on Monday, meaning it took place on December 7th, 2020 at its headquarters in Geneva. Geneva is in Switzerland. And the award recognizes and celebrates the outstanding achievements of the world's investment promotion agencies. Right? There are every country has got its own investment agency, but this time it is India that got this particular award. And kindly remember, so whatever the topic that we have discussed, this is important for both the preliminary level and mains examination. Fine. And what is that agency? Why it has been established? And what are the achievements? Similarly, what is the ease of doing business and where India is ranked? All these points are important for the examination point of view. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.